Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we'll discuss about another Java problem. So let's not waste the time and let's get into the class. So now I have to write the problem statement, right? So first of all, user need to take and user input and need to take array of ARR of size and and user need to find the pairs in the array from the backward onwards. So which means, for example, n is equal to 5, right? So I have given 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So user need to find the pairs from ending, right? So which means 5 comma 4, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 2, and 5 comma 1. So likewise, you'll be having 4 comma 5, right? 4 comma 4, right? Right. Likewise, you have to go till 1 comma 1, right? 1 comma 1. I hope you understand. I hope you understand, right? You have to find the pairs from the backward onwards, like 5 comma 5, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 1. So until 1 comma 1, right? So this is the output. So this is the output. So I hope you understand the problem statement. Let's write the code. So I'm writing import java dot util dot star. Right after that, I have to type scanner s is equal to new scanner system dot in, right? And int n is equal to sc dot next n, and I will take int array is equal to new n of size n, right? I have to read the values by using for loop. It starts from 0 till n, right? So I will read by using air of I is equal to sc dot next empty, right? So after that, I have to traverse from int I is equal to n minus 1 because we have to traverse backwards, right? So that's why I'm writing n minus 1, which means we are traversing, like why we are taking one n minus 1, because the index always starts from 0, right? 0, right? So see, here the last index is 4, right? The last index is 4. So that's why we are doing n minus 1, which gives the 4, right? Which gives the 4. Fourth index. Fourth index. We want fourth index. So that's why I'm writing n minus 1. So we are starting from 4, right? So after that, I have to, the I should be greater than, right? And greater than or equal to 0. And I minus minus, right? So in that, I have to take another loop, which is j is equal to n minus 1. It has to, like j also has to start from n minus 1 and j greater than or equal to 0 and j minus minus. So like this, you have to write the program. And here you have to print the pairs. You have to print the pairs. So AR of I, the first one, right? And after that, AR of j. So this is the final problem, right? you're getting the pair from the n onwards. So that's why I'm starting from n minus 1, and j is also starting from n minus 1, which gives 5 comma 5, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 1. So likewise it will traverse. So let's run this program. So let's comment this thing and run this program again. So I'll give 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So press enter. See, we got 5 comma 5, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 1. So likewise 4 comma 5, 4 comma 4. So until 1 comma 1. So this is the output, right? This is the output. See, we got from 1 comma 1. So I hope you understand this problem statement and the code. And if you have any doubts in this code, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.